Let's get in touch with that wellness that's inside of us. I invite you to just relax your body and let's take a nice, long, cleansing deep breath to let this body relax. And let's have the intention together to become very still. To have our mind become very still and receptive to the presence and activity of Spirit within us. Let's have the intention to be awake, alert, interested. Because think about it. We're talking about connecting with the very source of our life. We're talking about connecting with the Creator of everything, the source of all. And that presence is expressing in and through and as you, right here and right now. And when we connect with that source, when we feel that flow, we are in tune with divine order expressing in our life, divine order connected with the environment around us. When we are connected with that source, we are in tune with whatever is needed in the moment, flowing through and as us. So let your body relax now. Scanning your body and sending the message to relax, to let go. Becoming aware of your feet, your calves, your thighs. Relax, relax. Allowing your abdomen and stomach to relax. Relaxing your shoulders, your arms, your hands. Relaxing the muscles in your chest. Just sending the message, relax. Your muscles are listening. Relaxing your back, upper, middle, lower. Becoming aware of your hands. What are your hands doing? Are your hands open, relaxed, receptive? Or are they tense? Are they tight? Are they holding on? Just let your palms, your hands, your fingers relax. Relax into the flow. As if you were letting your hands relaxing into the flow of water, just allowing, releasing, letting. You're letting go. And as you let go, what's happening? You're allowing Spirit to flow freely through as your life. You're not trying to control. You're not resisting. You're letting God be God in and as you, as the great mystic said. Become aware of your neck, the muscles in your neck, and send the message, relax, relax. Relaxing your jaw, your cheeks, your eyes, your nose, your ears, your lips, your tongue, your forehead, your scalp. Letting go, 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 letting go. You can feel your body going, ah. You can feel your mind going, ah. Everything's settling. to a place of peace and calmness. Muscles relaxing. Spirit within you, spirit as you, drawing your mind to a place of calmness and stillness. You're not doing this on your own. Spirit within you is drawing you within. Spirit wants to be known. Spirit wants you to experience yourself and your unity with Source. Jesus the Christ knew that oneness. He said, I and the Father are one. Even back then, people didn't understand him. They wanted to stone him. What do you mean, you and the Father are one? Everything has come out of the one presence, the one spirit, the one reality. Everything is an expression of that. Where else would it come from? And that includes you, and that includes me. So be still. Suggest to your mind, be still, be still, be still. And go within now, in the quiet and in the stillness. In the stillness, we're connected with all life. In the stillness, we're connected with the presence that is within all people, within all animals, within all plants, within all those who have moved on to the other side of life. In the stillness of our being, we're connected with loved ones who have transitioned over. Or through faith, we believe that as expressions of spirit, of Source, they are eternal beings. They are immortal beings. This is what Jesus meant when he said, before Abraham was, I am. He was identifying I am with consciousness, with spirit, with Source. And so to those loved ones who have moved on to the other side of life, we acknowledge their eternality. This is what great saints and sages have told us was the truth. That life does not end at death. That life is eternal. That souls are eternal. And so we bless our loved ones and friends and others who have moved on to the other side of life. And we expand and include all our friends and family, beholding the Christ in them, the Spirit within them, the God within them, the divine, the Atman, the Chi, the Spirit that is whole, complete, that is Spirit being them. And we expand and we include every person on the planet. We include all those in Ukraine. We acknowledge from this high point of view that every person in Ukraine are spiritual beings, that truly nothing can kill their spirit. And we acknowledge that everyone in Russia are spiritual beings, and that they are now filled with awakening. And that souls everywhere, people everywhere, are awakened to the divine light within them. May this light shine brightly in everyone. We let our light shine and we join in consciousness, the Spirit of God in every person. And we see a little flicker of light shining in every person, like a lit candle in every soul. And we know together, this is the truth. This is the truth. And now we bring our attention, we bring our awareness back to the room where we are, back to our physical bodies, moving toes, moving fingers, moving the body, hearing sounds around us.
Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.